My name is Aniruddha Mitra, and I am a group leader in the Institute of Biotechnology. And I am starting my own fresh new lab. Essentially, we are interested in looking into the dynamics of life inside individual cells. And this is what I have been primarily interested in since I started doing my PhD. So when we think about cells, we have to start thinking about it like metro cities, where there is stuff being produced and transported in specific direction. So when you peer into a cell, you see there's crazy amount of movement around in a very directed manner, and specific things reach in specific locations at the precise quantities, and this is all regulated. So what I am interested in is looking at how these roads are built, along which these things are transported, as well as the trucks and the trains and the cargo carriers, how they are moving. What are the rules that regulate these kind of things? So I come from India. So I was in India till my bachelor's, where I did my studies in physics. And then I came to Europe for my master's. The master's was in solid states physics and nanotechnology. But in the meanwhile, I was also reading a lot about evolution. And that was an aspect that was always fascinating me. And it was kind of clear to me that I want to somehow get more into biological research. I think for the last 5-6 years. I think just after I finished my PhD, during my PhD and before, during my life, I have been doodling a lot. I started to give it a more serious shot, and I started sketching, and then it came quite naturally. To start with, where I was just spontaneously just whatever comes in my mind. Why do I do it? There's a lot of repetitive parts of the process, which essentially is quite meditative. So when you start getting into the details of these sketches, it takes you into a mindful space. And that somehow is a nice way to kind of step back from busy work life.